What I have here is the payment I received from using Google for 30 minutes. It's a lot, right? Well, you can get this amount of money too if you go to... This is the payment I received from using a specific Google tool for 30 minutes only. The results will not always be the same amount. It can be higher or lower for some. I can tell you something though, you will not earn anything if you do not follow the instructions from this video. I will tell you the 3 steps on how to earn 380 per hour on Google Translate. First, utilize Google Translate. Then, go on the 3 websites that I will tell you. Lastly, follow my $1,000 per day pilot system. The last one would be at the end, so stay tuned for that. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Okay now, let us proceed. This is Google Translate. This is not where we'll get paid. Instead, we will use this together with the 3 websites that I will tell you to make money. The first website pays the lowest and the last one pays the highest. So, listen carefully to avoid confusion. So regarding Google Translate, you can click this and the site will transcribe everything that it will hear. It will also allow you to transcribe from English to Spanish and vice versa. There are 100 different languages in this tool that you can use. Whoa! This is awesome! It typed out every word I have said. FYI, some business will pay you to type out everything you hear. Don't worry, as you won't do anything but use Google Translate for it. Proceed to GoTranscript.com. This site is going to give you 60 cents per video or audio minute. On average, you can make $150 a month on this site, but you can increase it to $1,215 a month because of the tool that I will tell you about. This tool will maximize the number of outputs that you will create. It is good as a side hustle or as a stepping stone for a bigger profit in the future. Now, apply to this website and you can now start with GoTranscript.com. They provide transcription jobs at home with weekly payout. It is really awesome compared to other jobs that pay bi-weekly. GoTranscript will pay you through PayPal on a weekly basis. This job also provides flexible working hours, so you can control your own time. You can do it for a whole day or divide it into a few hours a day. All you need to do is to pick a project, have great support, hone your skills, do something with your time, and get started as soon as possible. The next site is better than the first. It is called GMR Transcription.com. It compensates higher than GoTranscript. Go to their page gmrtranscription.com. Then, scroll down to see their founder. You can also look at his LinkedIn profiles. He has the primary goal of offering accurate and precise transcription and translation services to ensure highest customers' satisfaction. Because of his goals, a lot of businesses pay for their services to transcribe videos or audios. They will provide videos and the site will translate or transcribe the words from the said video. To work on this site, go to Careers and click it. It will redirect you to another page. It will show you more than thousands of businesses that are working with this site. There's the McDonald's, Dell, Amazon, etc. Once you press Careers, it will direct you to a page that says Transcribe Better, Burn Better. The page will also include how much you will typically earn from the job. In this case, it is $1,000 to $3,000 per month. So, it's a lot of money, right? To do this, you can just press this and apply for general transcription or Spanish transcription. The pay for Spanish transcription is better. We don't have to worry about our skills to speak Spanish because we can just use Google Translate for that. It will be the one that will transcribe audios in Spanish. If you scroll under, you will see that it requires no investments and experience for this job. It also has flexible working hours that will allow you to grow continuously. There are testimonials like this one that serve as a proof of people earning from this site. Now, it is easy, right? So apply now and start transcribing. The last site is the one that pays the highest. It is also known as the most reputable transcribing job site. You can find it on the link rev.com. What you need to do on this site is to apply for a transcriptionist job. You will earn $1.25 per minute on this site. For transcriptions of foreign subtitles, they pay more, ranging from $3 to $7 per minute. It would be a huge amount of money that you can earn from working online. To earn this, scroll down and find Careers. It will show you all the freelance jobs that you can do as a transcriptionist. It includes freelancing jobs, making money with transcribing, doing captions at home, and working at home with Rev. See, you can do this remotely and still earn a lot. The only tool you should have is Google Translate. As long as you have a Google Translate, you don't need to be fluent in another language. It will do the job for you. You will make tons of money and be featured in famous magazines. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.